Hello, good morning, and thank you for calling to order your Gotham Spell Stackmaster. For quality purposes, this call may be recorded. And who am I speaking with today?
My name is Jack.
Okay, all right, Jack. That's Jack.
Absolutely.
Okay, as you saw on TV, you can get Gotham Spell Stackmaster 10-piece premium non-stick stackable pans and matching tempered glass lids for just 4 easy payments of $39.99. Shipping is free. We'll send you a fry basket, steamer insert, and a 5-piece utensil set for free. And which credit card would you like to use today?
I'm going to go ahead and use my Visa card, I think.
Okay, all right. May I have the card number?
Well, before I go ahead and do that, I had some questions for you.
Okay, go ahead.
Now, what about this Gotham steel pan helps with what makes it a Gotham steel pan?
It's coated with 3 times with Gotham Stole's Ultra Nonstick finish, and it's fitted with stainless steel induction plate for even heat distribution for no more hot spots or cold spots. And it's made from the finest pressed aluminum for long-lasting durability.
What about if you dip it in a vat of radioactive material? What
I do not know.
happens? You're not sure?
Place an order with us today.
Well, I was just curious because I've been staring at gas station signs for a while.
Okay, well, you can call our customer service department, and they can answer that for you. Their number is 1-866-59. The
And
hours are
what time are they
from 8
open?
a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you again for
Well,
calling.
I need some answers right now, god damn it.
Hello, this is Janet. Thank you for calling to order Gotham Soul Stackmaster. For quality purposes, this call may be recorded. And who am I speaking with today?
The Bat Ski Boat.
I'm sorry, your first name is?
Batman.
May I have your first name, please?
Bruce Wayne. The Bat Ski Boat.